Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to install Happy Music on Samsung Galaxy A54. So if you have the Samsung Galaxy A54 in the A series and you want to start using Happy Music app on your Samsung A54, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to install Happy Music on Samsung Galaxy A54, all you need to do is go ahead and open the Play Store application. So search for Play Store and then open it. Once open the Play Store application, click on the search button at the bottom right. Then go ahead and search for Apple Music. Click on it. Then you should see the Happy Music. Click on it as well. Now go ahead and click on the install button. Once you click on the install button, hang on for the Apple Music application to download and install on your Samsung Galaxy A54. As you can see, the file size is about 46.31 megabytes. Once the download is complete, the Happy Music will start installing. So you just need to hang on for the Apple Music to download and install on your Samsung Galaxy A54. Now, once the installation process is completed, go back to the app menu. On the app menu, you can now see the Happy Music. Then click on it. Then you should say Happy Music. Click on continue and send it to your Happy Music account. So that is basically how you can easily download and install Apple Music on Samsung Galaxy A54. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.